how to detox and sharpen your brain in 40 days with one simple herb. Introduction. Welcome to complete comfort and lasting wellness. Here we bring you natural remedies, timeless health secrets, and lifestyle habits that can transform your body and mind. If you are looking for ways to heal naturally, gain clarity, and achieve lasting wellness, then you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and join our community of wellness seekers. Today, we're going to talk about something truly fascinating. How you can detox and refresh your brain in just 40 days using one very simple, very cheap herb that you can find in almost any market. That herb is none other than rosemary. What is rosemary? Rosemary, also called Rosmarinus officinalis, is a fragrant herb often used in cooking. But beyond its flavor, rosemary has been respected for centuries in traditional medicine. The ancient Greeks believed that rosemary sharpened the mind, and even today, science confirms that it improves memory, focus, and mental clarity. It contains powerful compounds such as rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and antioxidants that protect your brain cells from toxins and oxidative stress. Why 40 days? You might ask, why 40 days? The brain, like any other organ, needs time to reset and repair it. Consistently consuming rosemary over a period of 40 days allows its active compounds to accumulate and steadily support detoxification, circulation, and nerve protection. Think of it as giving your brain a gentle cleanse and tune-up. How to use rosemary daily. Here's how you can easily integrate rosemary into your daily routine for the next 40 days. Rosemary tea morning and evening. Take 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves or a few fresh sprigs. Place them in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 7 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm once in the morning and once before bedtime. As a culinary herb, sprinkle rosemary on grilled chicken, fish, vegetables, or even bread. Cooking with rosemary doesn't just add flavor, it infuses your meals with brain-protecting antioxidants. Aromatic therapy, simply inhaling rosemary essential oil, can boost focus and alertness. Add a few drops to a diffuser while working or studying. Benefits of rosemary for the brain. When taken consistently, rosemary can enhance memory, both short-term and long-term recall. Improve focus and concentration, making study or work easier. Calm the mind by reducing stress and anxiety. Boost circulation, ensuring your brain receives more oxygen and nutrients. Protect against age-related decline, reducing the risk of memory loss. Support liver function, which indirectly detoxifies your blood and brain. Possible side effects and precautions. While rosemary is generally safe, moderation is key. Too much rosemary tea can cause stomach upset or nausea. Pregnant women should avoid consuming large amounts, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. If you have high blood pressure, epilepsy, or are on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor first. Never ingest rosemary essential oil directly. It's meant only for aroma or external use. 40-day plan. Here's a simple plan you can follow. Morning. Drink 1 cup of rosemary tea before or after breakfast. Throughout the day, use rosemary as a seasoning in at least 1 meal. Evening, enjoy a calming cup of rosemary tea before bed. Weekly ritual. Diffuse rosemary oil in your workspace or bedroom for mental clarity. Stick with this routine for 40 days, and you may notice clearer thinking, less brain fog, improved memory recall, a calmer, more balanced mood. Conclusion: rosemary may be a simple, inexpensive herb, but its effects on the brain are profound when used consistently. With just 40 days of mindful use, you could give your brain the refresh it desperately needs. So, if you're ready to detox your brain and sharpen your focus naturally, why not start today? This is complete comfort and lasting wellness, reminding you that true healing comes from nature, consistency, and balance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more natural health solutions. Your journey to complete comfort and lasting wellness begins here.